Hello guys, your coach once again, and in this video today I want to show you this trading strategy that I have seen to be working. Even the people whom I've given who are using it, they've actually been saying good about it. So guys, watch to the end of this video and also follow this channel so that you don't miss out these amazing trading tips that I'm helping out. All right, so what about this strategy? So guys, also before I can proceed, you can go and visit my YouTube channel and subscribe and learn some trading strategies there that I have been uploading, and also subscribe so that you don't miss out amazing and also success nuggets when it comes to trading forex. So guys, what this strategy all about is I want you to understand that forex market is all about historical. All right, it's historical. The same thing that happened yesterday gonna happen today, gonna happen tomorrow, gonna happen the following week. All right, so you have to take note of that. All right, so what is this strategy all about, guys? As you can see, this is a BTC USD market, which I'm doing the demonstration today being weekend, and I want to show you on live. All right, so guys, so this is my market here. I want you to notice something. All right, so this is how the market behave. So this trading strategy, guys, I have seen it to be working, but take note of the time frame. All right, here I'm using a 1 minute time frame just for the sake of demonstration of this video. Okay, so as you can see, here the market, it was coming down, as you can see. Then from there it went up like that, and it came down and it went up, as you can see. So this market, if you check where it is coming from, it is coming down. All right, it is coming down. Then at this point it gave out this shape. So now what the market was supposed to do in order for it to continue, the reason why you are seeing this move here is because of this market made a turn exactly at this point. All right, so this is how, guys, you're gonna capture reversals. All right, this is how you're gonna capture reversals. So when the market is coming down like that, it's coming down like that, are you seeing? Then from there, are you seeing? So it made a turn almost on the same level of the previous lower low. So this is what it did here. So the market is coming like that, then it, instead of bypassing this level to make a turn from there and continues, but instead it made a turn right there on the previous leg of M, and the market proceeded to the upside. So guys, this is how you're gonna capture reversals. This strategy, I have proven it, I have tested it, is quite amazing. And just by trading this same strategy, I can assure you that you can make quite good monies. So here what I'm expecting is this market is gonna come down a bit and proceed to the upside. All right, so guys, avoid trading on the 1 minute time frame, unless if you are trading gold, for which gold is volatile, and also the what, especially if you are using the broker that I use. All right, so make sure that you trade using 5 or 15 or higher time frames. Once this shape is issued, guys, you're gonna make a good amount of money. So guys, I thought of sharing this. You can join my WhatsApp group.